Hi everyone. We're learning some basic vocabulary today about farm animals.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. I saw a rabbit in my garden.
I saw a rabbit in my garden. Sheep.
Sheep. I saw a sheep on my walk this morning.
I saw a sheep on my walk this morning. Cow.
Cow. I have a cow.
I have a cow. Duck.
Duck. I saw a duck in the park.
I saw a duck in the park. Turkey.
Turkey. I am going to make a turkey for Thanksgiving.
I am going to make a turkey for Thanksgiving. Rooster.
Rooster. I heard the rooster crow this morning.
I heard the rooster crow this morning. Goose.
Goose. I spotted a goose in my garden.
I spotted a goose in my garden. Donkey.
Donkey. I saw a donkey in the field.
I saw a donkey in the field. Goat.
Goat. I saw a goat on the farm.
I saw a goat on the farm. Pig.
Pig. I saw a pig in the market.
I saw a pig in the market. Hen.
Hen. I saw a hen in the street.
I saw a hen in the street. Horse.
Horse. I saw a horse on the street.
I saw a horse on the street. Bull.
Bull. I went to the store and bought a bull.
I went to the store and bought a bull. Dove.
Dove. The dove cooed softly.
The dove cooed softly.
Now you can test yourself. Guess the word. Let's start.
Rabbit. Sheep. Cow. Duck. Turkey. Rooster. Goose. Donkey. Goat. Pig. Hen. Horse. Bull. Dove.
Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on improving your English.